check this out. I have a special My Summer Car video for you guys today. IRL, My Summer Car.
Oh, we can fix this.
Yeah. Now, we're not going to use no fancy tools, no fancy hardware, no fancy nothing.
I don't think anything we're using can technically be considered hardware, so you're not wrong. I mean, bungee cords, is that hardware? That's a camping supply, really.
It's a home good.
It's not just one cord, that's 2 cords, guys, for safety.
This is starting to fray.
Oh, no.
So we did a Harbor Freight run, so we have our supplies here. We have clear tape.
Yeah, you've seen how much of a bitch that was.
What do you mean apply to?
Alright, so I really thought the tape thing would be like 30 seconds, but it's been like 5 minutes and we're still... Oh wait, I think we've made some progress.
I am man. I have invented tools. This is an 800 lumen flashlight that can be used as a headlight.
That's on Mark 1.
If like, is that an Iron Man?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright. This is the worst Marvel movie I've ever seen. So, alright, so we're gonna try and repair a headlight. Well, not really repair so much as...
There's words for it that we can't use that our parents used to say.
It's funny, I was thinking that the entire way over.
Yeah, I know. We're not allowed to say what our dads would call this.
That 800 lumen flashlight can go into whatever this hole is. Yeah? So it can go in there. You just got to spread it a little bit. You can't really get 2 in. You can definitely...
It'll be a tight fit. I think we can get it in there.
Yeah, you could probably some WD-40, but 1 is definitely comfortable.
Some kind of lubrication. All right.
Now, we can probably get a little...
Oh, you can get anything you want in there.
Yeah, the toggle light, I can probably get right up in here, clear tape over that, some packing tape, and I think that'll be good.
How'd this happen, by the way?
There I was, minding my own business, slicing deli meats and cheeses, as one does. And Ariel calls me and she says, you need to go out to the parking lot, the cops are there, someone hit your car, which is not great. I was parked, there was a divider between me and this car, so she was trying to reverse out of the parking spot, but did not realize that she was in drive.
There was some confusion.
There was some confusion. Happens to everyone. Yeah, she was like, why isn't this thing backing up? She fucking floors it. It's in drive, of course. She hops the curb, smashes into my car. You can see the red paint. It's a red Dodge minivan. Is there styrofoam in your bumper?
So many choices for your new headlights, Keith. How heavy duty you want to go? Now I think we're in the right section now.
I just don't know where I would plug this in.
Yeah, where's the There you go.
Wiring harness.
Get a fucking real headlight for that price.
So far I've invested about $12 into this fix. We'll see if we can...
That's including the tape?
That's including the tape, yeah. And the switch.
We might go under budget. What's the budget for this fix?
I think if it's $50 or less, I'm alright.
Hell yeah. That's a reasonable DIY budget.
Tried really hard not to get to 50. So that was... Just gotta yank it up a little bit.
Feel around for it, you know.
Latch.
It'll feel kind of spongy. There it is.
That brings back a very nice memory. I'll talk about that.
And now we're 30-year-old men.
There we go.
Got it. Okay, so we maybe have a blinker. This we could be street legal, dude. Wow. That should plug in. Yeah, everything looks, I mean, you know, not fine, but like, you know. It's gonna be okay. This happened to him at work.
I'm wearing a hairnet. Getting a call wearing a hairnet.
That's the worst way to receive bad news.
So let me show you all the broken pieces I recovered. There's that piece, that's good.
Oh, you can make a dagger out of that.
There's that.
Why would you save these?
Like I said, what are you, fucking Skyrim character?
You want to see the swords I've been carving? I have a lot of time on my hands, Keith.
Have you been carving swords?
3 of them. I'm making a set.
We're in our 30s, Chris. What are you doing?
Fucking living, brother.
Carving swords?
I'm not letting the youth die, Keith. I'm not... Yeah, that's where you draw the line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's reasonable.
You can go LARP in a park, but carving swords is the fucking... You have literal armor hanging in your closet.
It's real armor. It's made of steel. It's not made of wood.
So this is idea 1, huh?
Yeah. Not very dexterous.
I would say trying to stick it in there is a bad idea. I would say trying to stick it
Something
to the
like
outside.
this could work. Yeah. I mean, If I can,
All right, I mean that's a light.
if I can get that on, that should work okay. I think that'll keep me from getting pulled over.
We'll get that on. We can even we'll get you a bulb for that blinker too.
That might honestly work.
Yeah, how's the wire behind anything on the?
I haven't noticed any other electrical issues. Yeah, it seems okay.
Yeah, you should be able to just put a light bulb in that and be fine. We're gonna have to fabricate some options here, buddy.
Clear tape fabrication.
It's Monstard Garage.
Actually, maybe it's better this way.
There you go. Then you can just walk by and flick the switch.
Exactly. Yeah.
Real
Like
smooth as fuck. We can get that in there, no problem, buddy.
Tape around the town.
We'll get you some sticks.
Some sticks. You got some sticks for me?
We can... Well, she's angled a little bit low, but now we need something to straighten it out, like to brace it. Let me look around here. Let me check the old resource pile there.
It's getting more and more depressed. Option B is an even more high-powered flashlight, much more high-powered, closer to what my actual headlight would be, and it's even easier to install.
I don't know. I think the light switch would be the way to go because it's just easy to turn off and on.
No, I agree. I don't think there's a way to put it in there. So what I have to do is just jam the...
How about we install both? That way if one of these falls off, you already got a backup ready to go.
I do like... Oh, goddamn it.
You have a blinker. Oh, look at...
That's not, that's not terrible.
I mean...
It's not good.
It's in the realm of where a headlight would be. She's looking mean. I mean, mission accomplished.
Yeah, I mean that's honestly. I just wish it were less of like a blue light.
Yeah.
You know, one good thing about this, I just don't feel
I'd love to hear the one you come up with.
I just don't feel embarrassment anymore.
Well, no, yeah. It sounds like you kind of went through some existential shit here, Keith. The broken headlights, all of life, the broken headlights what got him.
Today, I told you about how there's no such thing as free will.
Hell yeah.
This is bad.
The cops are gonna like respect this, I think. They just pull you over, man. No, like this is not enough. Like,
you know what, officer? I just honestly hope that you would not notice and that you would not look closely enough. I was like, maybe if I do like, the actual turning, like this
hand signals.
Yeah.
That's like how many lumens is that? What's the lumen edition?
Altogether?
Oh yeah, we're at like 1500, baby. Street legal.
I have fucked up this tape so bad. I'm just self-destructing. I've become a monster.
The face.
Did you see the light leave my eyes?
Oh, crash, keep us down.
Man, when you get a bird's eye view of this.
I don't know, man. You sure didn't come like this from the factory. yeah, get it turned on. Yeah. Let there be light. Not get together with there too. You gotta get them both on. I don't see how this couldn't be considered safe for the road.
We're in business. Thank God. Thank you for joining us on another episode of My Summer Car.
Yeah, let's close her up.
Stay tuned next time for when I blow my brains out. No joke, guys.
It's like a